How can I compare two lists in Python and return matches? I want to take two lists and find the values that appear in both. Would return 5, for instance.
Not the most efficient one, but by far the most obvious way to do it is. If order is significant, you can do it with list comprehensions like this. Only works for equal-sized lists, which order significance implies.
Use set.intersection. It's fast and readable.
A quick performance test showing Lutz's solution is the best. These are the results on my machine. Obviously, any artificial performance test should be taken with a grain of salt, but since the set.intersection answer is at least as fast as the other solutions and also the most readable, it should be the standard solution for this common problem.
I prefer the set-based answers, but here's one that works anyway.
If you want to see one, we have considered subscribing.